So hey, what's up mga Kokote? It's me, Ate Mariel, at welcome sa Heterogeneous Mixture, where learning is the name of the game. So kung bago ka pa lamang sa aming YouTube channel, i-click mo na subscribe, like, and share button para mag-update ka sa aming mga videos. So samahan natin si Super K sa panibagong araw at panibagong lesson na ating matututunan dito sa Heterogeneous, at ang bagong lesson natin for today is what are mixtures. So nandito naman tayo sa chemistry. So ito mostly pang grade 7 na tong lesson na to, and enjoy ko yung chemistry lessons namin nung grade 7. So, puro siya experiment. So, dito natin makikita natin kung ano-ano nga ba yung mga mixtures na maaari nating malaman. So, ito na. So, let's find out. So, ang ating objective for today is malaman natin kung ano-ano ba yung mga mixtures and ano nga ba yung meaning niya, and ano pa ba yung kailangan nating malaman about mixtures. So, what are mixtures? A mixture is a combination of different materials that can be separated without involving a chemical reaction. So, yan, nagko-combine siya ng mga different na materials, mostly liquid. So, that can be separated na hindi nagkakaroon ng chemical reaction. So, the picture at your right is a mixture of pebbles and sand. You can identify the pebble from the sand by differences in color, size, shape, and shape. Can you separate the pebbles from the sand? How? So, ito ay merong sand and pebbles. So, paano natin masiseparate yung pebbles sa sand? Pwede natin siyang, alam niyo, strainers. Pwede nating itanggalin yung mga sand sa kanya, and pwede natin siya ma-separate without chemical reaction. So, that is a best example about a mixture. So air is also a mixture. It is an invisible mixture of several gases. So yung air natin, isa siyang din example ng mixture. So meron tayong mga different gases na maaaring makita, or no, hindi maaari nating maaari nating malaman, and of course may mga air and mga several gases na maaaring ma-inhale natin and ma-intake ng mga plants, animals, and other living things dito sa ating earth. So, oxygen and nitrogen make up the most of the atmosphere. So, oxygen and nitrogen ay mostly nasa atmosphere natin. Kasi ang oxygen, need natin yan, and pati na rin yung nitrogen. And yung carbon dioxide, din naman natin na need yan ng plants. So, yan. Pag sinabi ulit nating mixture, combination of different materials that can be separated without involving a chemical reaction. So, yung best example natin dito is yung nandito, yung sand and pebbles. You can remove or you can separate both mixtures without chemical reaction. So, you can use tools or you can use different methods to separate them. So, air is also a mixture, and oxygen and nitrogen mostly make up the most of the atmosphere. Next tayo. You can have a mixture of solids and liquids. Take a glass of half full of water. Put a spoonful of soil in the water. What do you see? So, yan. Pag nag-mixture tayo ng solids and liquids, and maglalagay tayo ng soil, and stir natin, ano yung makikita natin? So, from a water, and lalagay ka ng soil, pag hinalo mo, ano yung makikita mo? So, for me, it's none. Kasi, pag nahalo mo yun, mawawala yun eh. So, dudumi siya, and magiging color brown yung water. So, maghahalo ang soil and ang water. You come in contact with mixtures every day. From simply the fruit juice or the chocolate you drink is a mixture. So, kunyari, Milo and yung mainit na tubig, pag naglagay ka ng Milo sa mainit na tubig at in-stir mo, of course, magdi-dilute siya, and magiging nahalo yung Milo dun sa hot water mo, and of course, you can drink it, and magkakaroon siya ng ibang lasa. So, the vitamins you take are a mixture of different elements. So, yan, pag nag-intake tayo ng mga vitamins, so dito, may mga iba't ibang elements yan na nakaka-help sa ating katawan when we intake or drink it. So, the green salad you eat is a mixture of vegetables. So, pag salad, may mga lettuce, mga ganyan, mga oils, and mga dressings. So, yan, may mga different vegetables tayong panamahita sa salad. And it is also an example of mixture of vegetables. So, yan. Ito yung mga example niya. fruit juice, multivitamins. So, yan yung salad. Hindi lang halata, but it's a salad. So, yan. Why do you call all these mixtures? Can you see each item after mixing them? Is something different produced? If you can easily distinguish the different materials you mix together, you can call that heterogeneous mixture. Other examples of mixtures are granite, the pizza you eat, and a fruit salad. Pag madali mong madidistinguish kung ano yung mga pinaghalo mo together or visible pa rin yung mga pinaghalo mo together, it is called a heterogeneous mixture. So, for example, naman heterogeneous mixture is a granite, yung pizza, and vegetables too. So, of course, sa pizza, kitang-kita mo pa rin yung mga ingredients na nilagay mo. And sa pizza, may mga different toppings sa nasa taas, and yung pizza dough, meron kang sauce, makikita mo pa rin silang lahat. So, sila best example ng heterogeneous mixture. So, of course, the granite and the vegetables too also. So, yung solutions natin are substances dissolved in another substance. The substance that is dissolved is called solute. The substance that dissolves the solute is called the solvent. So, yung ulit tayo, the substance that is dissolved is called the solute, and the substance that dissolves the solute is a solvent. And another name for a solution is homogeneous mixture. So, meron tayong homogeneous and heterogeneous. When we say homogeneous mixture, in a solution, you cannot see the materials that you mix because they are uniformly spread out. So, particles in a solution are so small that you cannot see them even with a microscope. So, solutions are substances that are uniformly and constantly mixed. So, yan, homogeneous mixture is yung mga solution that you cannot see, materials that you mix because spread out na siya and hindi mo na siya determine kung ano yung mga mixtures na maaari mong makita. So, yan. Solutions are substances that are uniformly and constantly mixed. So, hindi mo siya makikita. Yung mga particles in a solution are so small and hindi mo siya makikita sa microscope. Pag sinabi nating homogeneous, hindi mo siya makikita yung mga materials na minix mo. Pag sinabi naman natin heterogeneous, ayun naman yung it can easily distinguish the different materials that you mix together. So, katulad ng pizza, salad, and granite. So, example ng may mga example din ng mga homogeneous mixture. Pag sinabi natin solutions, substances dissolved in another substance, and yung substance that is dissolved is called solute. The substance that dissolves the solute is called the solvent. So, yan ang ating lesson for today. Thank you. Have a great and God bless. So, click the thumbs up button if you like this video. And leave a comment down below if you have suggestions, clarifications, and suggestions about our future and recent videos. So, thank you. Have a great and God bless. See you on our next video. Bye-bye!